Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Hey, you're here? Guess what, I am too. Glad you came along. What we're doing today is putting a skirting up on a mobile home. It'll end up being up to about here, but the skirting itself will come along in here somewhere. I want to show you first what kind of tools you're going to need and what supplies you're going to need. We have all the top front corners. Here's your top front. Corners will cut to length, J-channel, and then the panels are scattered around like so over there. This particular color is black, which is a little unusual. It kind of blends with the black shutters, gray house, white trim. So that's what the plan is. Now, the other things, a pair of snips. I use straights, hammer, 4-foot level, screw gun with a 1/4-inch bit, the screws. These are colored to the same colors, and then the nails that we use to hold down the J-channel. And then a tape measure, pencil, a razor knife to open up the plastic if you have it wrapped with plastic. Usually our supplier does that. So we're going to show you. We're starting pretty late, probably about 3. And we'll show you how much we can get done before it gets dark, which would be about 5:36 today. So see how much we can get done today, and we'll finish it up tomorrow. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. By the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.